Hello, Dr. Gillies and class. This is my presentation for Module 5's session-long project on a business research business proposal. My name is Ed Powell. I have over 10 years in talent acquisition as a recruiter and staffing consultant. The subject of this proposed business study is building a talent acquisition strategy. This study is needed so organizations can build and improve how talent is found and retained. In today's competitive talent landscape, to be competitive, we need to attract and retain top talent. How talent is located and retained has changed over the years. But what has not changed is a company's need for quality people. In an article published in Talent Management Excellence Essential Journal, G.N. McDonald wrote that most candidates today are entertaining multiple offers and that the company they choose will have the values that align with theirs and have a clearly defined career path. And I do find this very much today in my own recruiting, that the companies do need to have that career path set, because that is what candidates are expecting. And these two research questions came up as I was thinking about building a talent acquisition strategy. The first question is, how to align that with the candidate market. And the second one is, how to attract and retain that top talent, which is a question I used for this mini proposal. There we go. A few topics that would be covered during the review would be, diversity. This is a relevant subject due to the number of women, minorities, veterans, and people with disabilities entering the workforce. Interviewing. This would definitely be a good subject into research because how the interview goes does affect how a candidate's going to perceive the company and will affect their decision whether or not to join that company. And then attracting those quality candidates. What I found, especially for the mid-range candidates that I'm looking for, is that you need to find those passive candidates, and I feel that LinkedIn Recruiter is the best tool for finding those passive candidates. If you don't know what I mean by passive candidate, I mean somebody who is working, not actively looking for work, but if an opportunity came their way, they'd definitely be open to hearing more about it. And the last one is making talent acquisition a strategic partner in an organization. I feel this is very important. Talent acquisition as a strategic partner will enable the organization to achieve its vision and mission. Now to look at how I would design the research around the research question. What are ways to attract and retain talent? For this research, I take a quantitative approach and look at data from the past 5 years on sites like Department of Labor, Glassdoor, Society of Human Resource Management, Payscale.com. Similar sites like that would have secondary data that I could definitely research. There are many reasons why somebody chooses to join an organization over another. I will use my LinkedIn Research Network that is over 10,000, and I do get alerts when people do change jobs. When that happens, I would like to reach out to them and say, hey, would you like to be part of my research, and let me know why you switched jobs. And the same goes for people who have work anniversaries. I like to see why are they staying with their organizations, and I like to send those folks a survey or even possibly interview them to find out why they are staying with their company. And I could use a tool like SurveyMonkey to do the surveys. I would start data collection from past data going back no more than 5 years. We'll develop data sets, get a pattern of what attracts and retain employees, and use that data to write my report. From experience, I believe that benefits and company culture will be the top reasons why people join or stay with a company. This research will help organizations have the right people in place to achieve their strategic vision and be competitive and innovative. How candidates are recruited has changed over the years, and it is imperative to keep up with the times so the best people are brought into an organization. With the right data, management can implement cultural changes that will get the buy-in of both employees and management. People who would benefit from this research would be, of course, management, stakeholders, investors, customers, as well. I think everybody in the company would have some benefit from this research. Thank you for listening to my business proposal. Any questions, please feel free to call or email. I'd be happy to answer them.